everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the place where I share videos about all kinds of topics that I'm passionate about. Are you tired of navigating the uncertain waters of online selling, always wondering which products will lead to success and which will leave you struggling to make a sale? Look no further. Merch Dominator's cutting-edge sales estimator tool is here to revolutionize your journey as a Merch by Amazon and KDP seller. Say goodbye to the days of guesswork. With our sales estimator tool, you'll gain access to invaluable insights and projections that will put you ahead of the competition. Easily check the sales estimation of any product on Merch by Amazon and KDP using either the Best Sellers Rank BSR or the Amazon Standard Identification Number AASIN. We've got the exclusive sneak peek right here on our show tonight, so stick around for the commercial break and get ready to see what all the buzz is about. Merch Dominator empowers you to optimize your success by leveraging reliable and accurate data. No more second guessing. Make informed decisions during niche validation and witness your profits soar. Keys of use. Our user-friendly interface makes it effortless to access the information you need. Precision. Trust in the accuracy of our estimations and projections. Time saving. Spend more time growing your business and less time analyzing data. Competitive edge. Stay ahead of the competition with Merch Dominator's insights. Don't miss out on the limited time offer to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing now, you'll secure your access to Merch Dominator's sales estimator tool at an exclusive rate. This offer won't last forever, so act quickly and subscribe today to supercharge your sales journey. Subscribe now and take advantage of our limited offer on Merch Dominator's sales estimator tool. Start boosting your sales, making informed decisions, and maximizing your profits with Merch Dominator, your ultimate sales boosting partner. Discover more about Merch Dominator and explore the success stories of our community by visiting our website. Your journey to sales success begins here. Join us today and revolutionize your online selling experience with Merch Dominator. Don't miss this opportunity. Thank you for watching.